Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining in today for the webinar Manage Your MySQL and MariaDB databases easily with SQLyog. My name is Siban and I will be presenting this webinar today. During the course of the webinar, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the chat and we will answer them at the end of the session. Let me start with a quick introduction of the tool. SQLyog is a graphical user interface for MySQL and MariaDB database development, design, and administration. So let's dive into SQLyog interface to see it in action. For every connection in SQLyog, you can quickly navigate through your databases, tables, and other objects from the object browser in the SQLyog window to the left. The text editor area on the right can be used to write SQL queries, and the result window at the bottom displays the result of the query execution as well as the data stored in the table. Connecting to your MySQL and MariaDB servers is very easy. These are the connections stored in SQLyog, so there is no need to enter the server credentials each time on connection. You can also enter the credentials manually and click on the connect button to connect to the server. If direct access to the server is blocked, SQLyog allows to connect through HTTP tunnel to gain access to your local or hosted MySQL and MariaDB server. You can also securely connect through SSH tunneling when direct access to the server is blocked from outside the hosting network. SQLyog provides both password and key-based authentication. You can also connect through SSL to ensure the connection is secured. SQLyog provides a feature called Query Builder. Complex SQL queries can be defined using a simple drag and drop mechanism using the Query Builder feature. So on clicking on the option here, it opens a canvas area which uses a simple drag and drop interface. To start building the query, simply drag and drop the tables from the object browser into the canvas area, or you can even double click on the tables. And to start building the query, simply select the table and the columns you wish to include in the query generated by SQLyog. And the query generated at the bottom can be copied to the clipboard or to a new query tab from where you can execute the query and fetch the results. To define how a, a, a table structure or even view how the tables are defined, SQLyog provides a graphical interface called Schema Designer. On clicking on this option, it opens a canvas area, which is the operations are very similar to the query builder, wherein you can simply drag and drop the tables from the object browser to the canvas area. And each table added to the canvas includes a toolbar at the top, using which you can alter the table, manage your indexes, foreign keys, and other table operations. And for example, you define any or make any changes, the changes are reflected here. And the SQL preview is the query generated by SQL can be viewed here. And on clicking on the save button, the changes are applied in real time to the database. So if you wish to revert the changes, simply click on revert button and the changes are not applied. SQLyog also provides a data search feature using which you can search for data across all the databases without worrying about the underlying schema. It is like a search engine, and you don't have to type complex queries to fetch to search any text. So as you see here, the search text results provides results of the following rows, and you can also search as a regular expression. And on clicking on the result, it opens up the data where you can view, alter, or make any changes to the data. SQLyog, in case of a server failure or data loss, Data backups are critical and are used to restore the lost data. So as a database administrator, taking backup is one of the most important tasks. SQLyog packs in a powerful backup tool with one-click backup option, where you can take the backup of the tables as well as other objects, uh, and you can take the backup of just the structure or the data, or include both the structure and data as well. SQLyog also provides the option to schedule the backups. The backup tool, as you see here, you can even start a new job or edit already a saved job. So the backup tool provides the option to select the connection which has already been saved, and you can select the database to be backed up, and you can select the objects to be backed up, and it provides the option to compress the backup files or take the backup as a SQL file. It also provides the option to backup each object as a separate file, and also override the backup to an existing SQL dump or append to the existing SQL backup. It also provides the option to backup just a structure or both the structure and data. And going ahead, you can also abort the process on error, and also get notified through email by providing your email details as well as the SMTP credentials. And you can immediately run the backup, or even save it to a later time. On scheduling the backup process, SQLyog will automatically create a standard Microsoft Windows schedule task, where you can specify your schedule preferences based on your needs. SQLyog provides import external data feature for importing data from various formats like Access, Excel, and CSV. Also, transferring data from any ODBC compliant data source. It provides the option to perform incremental imports, saving your session to be used at a later time or to be used repeatedly, and also schedule the import. For example, I'm selecting the CSV data source here, and simply select the folder which contains the data. Going ahead, the process is very similar across all the features. You simply have to select the connection and select the database to which the data needs to be imported, and select the source files that needs to be imported, and you can abort the process and also get notified by email, and you can run the task immediately or schedule it to a later time. SQLyog also provides the option to import or restore SQL dumps, and you can also export the data of a table or the result set of a query executed to various file formats like CSV, JSON, Excel, and SQL dump as well. So for developers and DBAs who work with different MySQL servers and need to keep the database in sync, SQLyog provides the schema synchronization tool, which enables you to compare and work with the differences. This is a simple graphical interface which provides the option to understand the differences in the color-coded format, as mentioned at the top, and the similarities between the two databases at a glance. This tool will detect the differences between the tables, indexes, columns of two databases, and generates a script at the bottom, the text area, which can be saved to a SQL file or can be executed immediately. So here you just have to select your source database and the target database, and either you have the option to compare just the tables or all the objects. You have the option to ignore the definer while comparing and other parameters, and simply click on compare button, and it lists the differences between the two databases as mentioned in the format above. So you can even save the script generated by SQLyog to keep the databases in sync to a SQL file, or you can execute it immediately. And to view whether the databases are in sync, simply click on compare once again, and you can see there is no differences displayed since the identical objects are ignored. So this means that the databases are in sync. Uh, to keep your production databases in complete sync with your uh, test database, or if you have replication and the replication between the servers is broken, SQLyog provides the data synchronization feature to keep that data in sync between two databases. So using database synchronization, the process is similar to other features. You just have to select the source and connection, target connections, and the databases that you wish to be you wish to keep them in sync. And using SQLyog, you have three options. Using one-way sync, you can simply sync the data between from the source database to the target database, and you also have the option to delete or retain the existing data in the target database. Using the two-way synchronization, you can transfer or sync the database from your source database to the target database and vice versa. And the third is the visually merged data, which I'll be elaborating later. So going ahead, you can select the tables whose data you wish to keep them in sync. And there are three options SQLyog provides in this feature. You can directly sync the differences or just generate a script to sync the difference, which you can use it later to execute and bring the data in sync. Or you can even sync and also generate a script, which you can save as a SQL file. And going ahead, the process is similar. You can abort the process on error as well as get notified about the process through email. And you can run the task immediately or even schedule it to a later time. And the third option, which I spoke about in database synchronization, you can also use that feature through the Power Tools menu by clicking on the Visual Data Comparison wizard. Uh, Visual data comparison is an interactive implementation of data sync. The underlying underlying code is the same. You can select the source as well as the target connections, and the process is same. And here, simply select the table and click on the compare to view the differences in data between the two tables. So as you see here, you can visually sync the data between the two tables, and you can view the preview of the SQL query generated by SQLyog here. Uh, and if you wish to apply the changes, simply click on Apply Changes button, or you can revert the changes by these two buttons. And SQLyog also provides the option to copy the database, including the tables, views, store procedures, and other objects to another database, either in the same server or even to a different server. Simply right-click on the database and click on the copy database option, and you can select the target database connection name and the database you wish to import. You wish to copy. You can either copy the structure or both the structure and data, and just click on copy to start the copy process. Uh, and The next feature is almost a life-saving feature for many of our customers, and it is called Session Restore. In case of a system crash or accidentally closing your MySQL client, it would make you lose all your open tabs and queries. So SQLyog restores your previous session along with all the queries in each of the query tabs, as well as the query builder and schema designer including the history tab that are opened in each connections opened in SQLyog. So this brings me to the end of the SQLyog demonstration. Before I wrap up this presentation, I would also like to take your attention to our uh, other product, SQL Diagnostic Manager for MySQL, which is a slick tool for monitoring your MySQL and MariaDB servers. If you're a DBA or have a DBA team in your organization, you can surely use SQL Diagnostic Manager for MySQL. It is a monitoring tool for database administrators that helps them to gain visibility into the overall health and performance of their MySQL servers. It just not allows DBAs to fine-tune bad SQL queries to optimize MySQL Server performance, but also notifies them of potential MySQL performance problems before they occur. And also, if you think, why should you use SQL Diagnostic Manager for MySQL? The answer is, unlike other commercial and open source MySQL monitoring tools, SQL Diagnostic Manager for MySQL is agentless in architecture. It puts no additional load on the servers. It ships with 600 plus fully customizable monitors. It can track the MySQL configuration changes as well as monitor long running SQL queries in real time. So you can download a trial of both SQLyog and SQL Diagnostic Manager for MySQL from our website, webyog.com. Simply click on the product links, and it would take to the product page, and you can click on the download free trial. As well as for SQL Diagnostic Manager, you can click on the tab and you can download the trial by clicking here. And this brings me to the end of this webinar. Now we will take up the questions which we have received. So the first question we have received is, can you use SQLyog on MS SQL DBS defined as an ODBC connection, I assume? SQLyog can connect to only MySQL as well as MariaDB and forks of MySQL servers. It cannot connect to MS SQL server, but you can import the data from the MS SQL servers into the MySQL servers using the import external data wizard by selecting the ODBC connection as the data source. And this is a follow-up question from the same user, Michael. And the question is a follow-on question to the first one. Is, if so, can you keep an MS SQL Server database in sync with the MySQL database? So the answer is pretty much the same with my previous reply. So you cannot keep the database connect to a MS SQL Server and MySQL Server through SQLyog, but you can only import the data from MS SQL into MySQL. And that was the last question we received. And with this, I'm wrapping up this webinar. Thank you, everybody, and have a great day.